So here's our 2001 Kenworth T300 six-wheeler dump truck. We bought this last year. We really just needed a bigger truck for doing our hardscaping. We were really starting to do some bigger jobs. You know, it's no 10-wheeler or tri-axle, but hauls more than anything else we've had. So we got this from our town water company. Owned this truck, and they kept extremely good care of it. The frame is, I mean, it's in beautiful shape. There's very little rust. I mean, everything's in great shape. Really the only thing that's been kind of beat up is the dump body, which isn't even that bad. So we may be replacing the dump body. But the truck only has, let's see, 35,000 miles. And it's a 2001. So it's really been babied. It's literally just driven around, the one town that, you know, used it. So it's a 6-speed manual, air brakes, trailer air brakes. So we got all of our gauges right here. Heat, AC, radio. So we'll let it heat up and I'll turn it on for you guys. So there's our engine heat light. So we'll wait till that goes out. It's been sitting for a while, so there it goes. So turn on. So we'll hop outside. So it has a Cat, I think 7.2 liter engine. So it has 246 horsepower. It does pretty good with you know, full load. We'll put 8 maybe 9 yards of gravel or loam on there. It does pretty good. You know, it gets slow going up hills, but like any other truck. So we have 3 chutes. So we have our tarp system. There's the engine. Again, sorry, I'll turn it off. That way you guys can hear me. So the truck actually came with strobe lights. I think they're on this switch. Yep, there they go. So you can see them going there. Let me put the hood back down. I just opened this up so you guys could see the engine. So there it is. There's the Cat. Let's see if I can do this one-handed without smashing it. There we go. So yeah, it has Hideaway Strobes. Probably kind of hard to see it right now. In the fronts, in the parking lights. And then in the back, we have strobes. Probably hard to see those right now too. Those are built into the body. There we go. So, not something we would have put in, but you know, it's nice if we're working on the side of the street or something like that. So this is a CDL weight truck. It's a 33,000 GVW truck. So I have my permit right now, and I'll be taking my license test probably within the next maybe month or two. So air seat, So this was definitely worth our investment. I'm not going to say exactly how much we paid for it, but we got it for very, very cheap. So there's the Kenworth.